channel, and everybody look at this. And then Yancy and Mommy put 2 of these on.
So guys, this is Auraglow. This is the Radiant Effects Teeth Whitening Kit. It says it's professional. I bought it offline. I bought it at Walmart.com. And it was about $45. So I'm thinking that it may be good. But if you can see here, it says it's a powerful teeth whitening kit that erases years of stains and polishes the teeth in a comfort of your own home. So we're going to see how it does. You know me, always trying to do something, trying to see if something works. You know, trying to see if somebody's not trying to pull my leg or take my money. But anyway, the box contains 2 5-milliliter whitening gel syringes, 4 thermofoam moldable trays, and 1 retainer case. So here's the 2 syringes filled with the whitening gel. Here's a moldable plate. 2 of them comes in this package. And then there's a tray, and they gave extra moldable plates. So the instruction says place 1 tray over your upper teeth before placing it in boiling hot water, boiling water. And it says practice by pushing your tongue or pushing the tray with your tongue up against the roof of your mouth and suck the air from the tray. I wonder what's that for, but it says it contours the guard to the inside surface of the teeth. And you do this with the upper part of your teeth and the lower part of your teeth. And then you get some water, bring it to a boil in a coffee cup or a bowl that's at least 3 to 4 inches deep. And dip the moldable trays in that boiling hot water. So it says lift the tray vertically from the water, holding it by this tab, and then quickly put it in your mouth and push the tray again with your tongue up against your teeth. I guess this is to mold it and get it into shape. Customize it to your teeth. And once that's done, wait a few seconds so it can dry, and then you put this whitening gel in it. So we're gonna see. I want to see if this really works. So guys, just want to show you real quick. This is the color of the teeth that we're dealing with right now. They're a bit yellow. Not that much. Not that yellow though, but the dentist said that yellow teeth are healthy. It's the white teeth that we need to watch out for, because you know, we know that they have had some kind of cosmetic procedure. Okay guys, so we put the first tray in at the top. At first it was too big and it was uncomfortable, so I forgot the instructions said suck the air out of it and push it with your tongue. So we just boil the water. We're going to have to dip this tray, dip it out in 3 to 5 seconds, holding it by the tab. And then it says to remove from heat, dip 1 tray in the hot water. Okay, holding the tab 3 to 5 seconds. Make sure the tray is soft and the edges do not fold on each other. Oh my God, y'all, look at it. It looked like it shriveled up, and it looked like it got a little smaller. Look at it compared to, where's the other one? Look at this compared. Wait a minute, move your hand. Look at this compared to that. Okay, go ahead and put it in your mouth to try to shape it. You have them on top and bottom? What? What happened?
I almost bit through it.
Oh, you almost bit through it?
Yeah.
No, the hot water makes it what? Get real limp or something?
It's like soggy.
Oh. Okay, so push down real hard. Look, open your mouth. Push this down real hard with a... Suck it. You gotta suck it. So she's put both of the trays in her mouth. The one at the top and one at the bottom. Why are you rocking? Yeah, keep it like that. Does it feel like it has molded to your teeth?
No.
What you mean?
Like...
Huh? What?
It's like too thick.
Which one? The top or the bottom?
Both of them.
But I thought you said you almost bit through it.
Yeah, that was before when it was hot.
Oh, okay, let's check it out. Guys, just to let you know, this is our third time molding these trays. They're kind of thick. And the more we put them in hot water, the smaller they get. So I guess the plastic is shrinking. But we have to get them to the size of her teeth so we can put the whitening gel on there. Are they okay now?
Yeah.
Press down on them hard. Press down on it. Oh, you are? Oh, they won't move. Take them out. Let's see how they look. So they look like they pretty much molded her teeth. See? They're the grooves. And let's see this one. It's the back of it. Turn it around. Okay, that's the bottom. Okay. Well, next thing it says to cut this tab off. And then we can put the gel whitening cream in there. We're going to add the teeth whitening gel, advanced formula, in the grooves, like this. What? You can talk. What?
Okay.
What, honey?
You had do half of it, like distinguish it evenly between top and bottom.
Yeah. So we're gonna put some in here, just like so. And we're gonna put some in the bottom. Yeah, I had some of this, but it was from a professional dentist. So, and then we're going to. This is the top one. Put this in your top. Put it on there. And this is the bottom.
Is it safe?
Yeah, it's safe. Well, it says it's safe here, and I used to use it. Well, I got it from a professional dentist, though, but I think it is safe. It says here to place the trays firmly against your upper and lower teeth and wear it for 30 minutes. So, after 30 minutes of whitening, rinse your mouth and the trays with warm water. If necessary, you can brush your teeth, but just rinse it and avoid eating or drinking 1 hour. You can repeat the steps 1 to 3 times daily for 7 to 14 days or until you so desire. But in like 7 to 14 days, you should start seeing a difference of the whitening. So, you know me, guys. I'm always getting a product, trying to see if it works. If it works, you'll see it straight on my channel. And we're going to look at her teeth again in about 2 days to see what the results are. Okay. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.